4th of July! So, ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog. Anong oras na? Ano na guys, tanghali na. Actually, hapon na. Yung mga bagets, basa na sila. At nandun sila sa may ay, kakain na daw kasi. Kaya, o diba, late na ako mag-vlog. So, ito, dala ko yung drinks nila. And, so, yeah, kakain na daw. So, I don't know kung saan kakain. Ay, ayan na pala sila. Ito sila. So, ito na guys. So, mga basa sila. Yung mommy, okay. So, they're having hot dog.
Yeah! And mine is still being made.
Who's making it? Daddy?
No,
Okay.
it's mom. It's mama.
So, ayan yung ginagamit
Can
nila
I get
guys.
myself wet?
No! Just wait. Here's our food. Happy 4th of July, people!
Happy 4th of July.
Yan. It's just us here.
Bless you.
Bless you! What's the matter, girl?
I'm just wanting you to feed me.
Okay, I'll feed you.
This is weird.
I just ate.
That's weird. Ayan na sila. What are you doing? Tignan nyo kung gaano kadumi yung tubig. Boom! Tignan nyo kung gaano kadumi yung tubig. Oh my God. Kakagakat lang kasi nung mga damo. Kaya yan. Ang daming damo. Ano siya? Kayla, move! Kayla, move! Go! Sobrang liit na kanilang water slide. Pang baby.
My mom would find anything fun. Even if it's this, we find it fun.
Yeah. Yeah. Sobrang maliit lang yung kanilang guys, slide, pero nag-e-enjoy sila. Basta may tubig, nag-e-enjoy. Boom! Sissy, shoot!
Where's basketball? Where's the basketball?
Right there, inside. Woo!
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Kay Natalia to guys, nung baby pa si Natalia, yan yung kanyang binili ni daddy niya, naka-sale $50. Oh, diba? Nagagamit pa rin siya. Kadiri na yung tubig ang po. Don't tell me you get drowned, Caleb. I said, don't tell me you got drowned.
Yeah, I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Alright, move. Troy's coming. Woo! Troy, move. Sissy's coming. 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! Slide. Slide, 1, 2, 3, go! Slide! Woo! Pang baby talaga to eh. Sige. Basta may tubig, enjoy. Woo! Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Woo! 1, 2, 3, go! Caleb, move! Ay, na. Hindi nabasa ako eh.
Move, make room, make way. Make way, make way. Hi, can I get a bit more?
Okay guys, nilagyan natin ng ng sabon.
Have David take a look. Guys, have David take a look.
Slide, go, slide.
Guys, have David.
Sissy, slide!
There's a way to get up here.
Gusto daw nila ng Go, Troy, go!
Hey, Mom,
Woo!
we're needing more water.
No,
No, we need more soap.
no, you don't. I told you, go get it up there. There's more bubble on there. Okay, nilagyan ulit. Look at you, sister. What are you doing? Troy, look at your face.
She's taking a bath.
Look at you.
Thing's too slick. Mom, put some on my butt. I'm gonna scoot around.
Okay. Okay. Go, yeah. Mga buang. Sige. What? You want more? You want this? Okay.
Some on my booty too.
You want some on your booty too? Okay, there you go.
Give it a
Sige. Oh.
go.
Now you got a bubble bath? A bubble bath, he said. Sissy! What are you doing? Look at that, guys. Lagyan na naman nila ng ng soap. Look at that! Even down here, there's more soap in the water.
Caleb.
Maliligo na kasi sila mamaya-maya. Tapos mamaya magpa-fireworks na tayo. Pag dumilim na, medyo pa. Ganyan na guys. Medyo...
Go, Sissy.
Oh, Sissy, there's one in there that didn't pop.
Sissy, throw it down.
Troy, down. Throw it. There you go.
Hold on, Sissy. Sissy, take it.
Troy, I said that way. Throw it down. Where did it go?
No. Right there.
See, look, Troy, like this. See?
Here, Sissy.
That's away.
Hold on. Go this way. Put these in your left hand. Now,
There you go, Troy.
hard. You gotta throw hard. Okay? Throw it hard like you're mad. Okay?
Like this.
Like you're mad at Koya for taking your iPad. Just throw it hard.
Troy, did you throw it? Throw it hard. Get it. Throw it hard. There you go.
Mommy?
Yeah.
Sissy,
Move it around. Move it around.
No. Move it around.
Troy.
keep it away from those bags. Come here, Chad.
Guys, can put it in the water.
No.
It's almost.
Sissy, look at me.
Watch out for Mommy.
Sissy.
Chad, down this way. Not in the grass, over here in the driveway.
Okay, put it.
All right, Troy, put it in the bucket. Sissy, stick it out. Hold your hand out like this.
My trash up now? Do I pick up my trash now?
You can throw the trash in that bag over there. Yep, that bag.
All right,
Okay,
go put it in the bucket, Sissy. When you're done, put it in the bucket. There you go. Look. Caleb, no, you got to do it right here, not in the grass.
Why?
Because.
Well, yes, I got a whole bunch of them.
Troy.
Cheese. Nice one, Mama. Nice one, Daddy.
Look at that.
It's burning out. My fire burned out. My fire burned out.
Okay, put it in the bucket.
Put it in the bucket to pull down.
Sissy.
I just throw
Look at
it
me.
in there like a fire.
Chad.
Sissy, look at me.
I do not want to light any.
Sissy.
Because my hands are tired.
Your hands is tired?
Oh, it's starting.
Mommy, you want one?
Mom, you might want to look out because I'm walking through here.
Okay, go look so I can get a picture.
Go, go, go.
All right, look at me. Look at me.
Hey, Daddy,
Don't move. There you go.
Daddy, are you doing one?
Yeah, I'm doing
Daddy's
one.
doing one. Yay!
Oh!
Ooh, stand right there. You gotta hold it, I guess. Woo! Stay right there.
Don't move around. Come here, Troy. Come this way.
I'm making big shape.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and go forward.
Right there, Troy.
Caleb, go over there. Chad,
here.
just stand right there, I
The
said.
light
Mommy, you just scoot back.
I
the
know.
light side and the dark side has chosen
All right, stand right there beside Troy.
where decomposing.
Caleb, go over there beside Caleb, Troy.
Mommy, I'm gonna like this one.
Okay, go ahead.
Avada Kedavra! Bippity boppity
Sissy.
Sissy,
Avada Kedavra!
move around.
Bippity bippity boppity boo!
Be careful. Don't
Hey,
hit
Mom.
each other.
I might have set a rock on fire, but then
No,
it
you
burned
set a
out.
rock.
It's fine.
Avada Kedavra! Bippity boppity boo!
Look at that.
Like in Harry Potter. Avada Kedavra!
Hold it out. Just hold it out like that.
Wow, Sissy.
That's the minigun spell for.
Come here, Troy.
That's the minigun.
You stand right here. Just hold it
Avada
out.
Kedavra! What if I hit someone?
Woo, Sissy.
Chad, Caleb, come on. This way.
Try. Try, Sissy.
Come here. Caleb. Chad, come on my side.
Mom, watch out.
I know, hold on. Look at that.
Avada Kedavra! Abracadabra! Abracadabra!
I know. I didn't think I'd do that. Oh, yes.
Now, I know the amazing.
Look at me, you two. Look at me. Caleb.
But don't shoot.
Say happy 4th of July.
First one right straight down the hill.
I know.
Throw it in the bucket.
Stand back, stand back.
Look, what?
Stand back, stand back. Thanks, like, come back, come back, come back, come back.
I don't know what this one does.
Happy New Year! She said Happy New Year! These are real fireworks. You can use your fingers.
Wow, wow.
Look, look, look.
Woo! Happy New Year! I'm just kidding. Woo!
Is that one huge?
It's a big.
Yes. Yes, this one is Ellie.
This is the last one he
All right.
Woo! That's the elephant.
You just wait here till it gets.
That's what you're talking about.
Yeah, that's what we're talking. July, everyone.
Hold on, there's another one.
Not done yet. We just finished the other side. We just finished round 1 and 2. Now we're doing round 3 and 4. And then 10. And look at you. Wow. Wow.
I want to color in them.
Okay, here we go. Go.
Oh, wow. Oh.
to make it circle.
I love doing circles.
Yeah.
I mean, now we're really going to embrace the dark side. Sissy, they do that. Lingang gui 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 lingang gui lingang gui gui gui. A body could dog.
Yeah, yeah.
Bippity boppity boo. Bippity boppity
Happy
boo.
4th of July.
A body could dog.
Say Happy New
Right here.
Year.
If you're gonna throw it, do it right here in front of you,
Happy
okay?
New
If Troy's next to you, you don't want to hit Troy. So that will burn.
Sissy. 1, 2, 3. Happy New
Year.
Not yet. Sissy, say not yet. Yeah, that's my birthday's before then.
Say Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, everybody.
That's good, Caleb.
I'm making a Doctor Strange portal.
All the way in here, Troy. Hold it all the way.
Why?
Because that way it's not gonna...
Hey, Mom, me and Kara are making a Doctor Strange portal. Yes, but for me, I bent mine. How did you bend it? I did it. It's too much.
Sissy, did you have fun?
Here, this is hold
Daddy, did you have fun?
this. Yes.
Kuya Chad. Chad, did you have fun?
Yes, but
Troy, did you have fun?
yes.
That's fine. That's fine.
Caleb, did you have fun?
Yes.
Yeah. We are done, guys. Grabe yung mga paputok, ah. As in.
Ellie. Yeah, what if we...
It's time for bed, guys. Good night. Good night. Ayan. Ano na, magto 12 o'clock na, guys. Good night, sis.
We always
Woo!
decide.
Alright, good night. Good night. Good night.
But it's different. And yes, it...
Alright, good night. Good night. Love you guys. Good night. Love you. So guys, tulog na ang aking mga kasama dito sa bahay. So, ako'y matutulog na rin. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating simple celebration dito sa 4th of July. So, it's Independence Day and birthday ng America. So, yeah, ganun na sineselebrate dito, guys. Talaga may fireworks and everything. Pero pag New Year, walang fireworks. Yung manunod ka lang sa TV, yun, may fireworks. Pero yung ikaw yung well, meron din naman silang binibili ata. Meron na bibili pero hindi na kami bumibili kasi wala. Hindi rin kaya nakakamiss yung magpa-fireworks ka sa New Year's. But anyways, ako'y matutulog na. So, good night, guys. Thank you for watching. Good night.